The process.
Hold on the left.
Special.
Copy that.
Before vehicles enter the recycling factory and transform into reusable materials, their story begins here, in salvage yards and streets.
Gate opening confirmed. Tow truck inbound for processing zone 2.
Copy. Standing by for arrival.
Check the specs on the coolant reservoir.
Looks like a 7-liter capacity, standard procedure.
Welcome to our car recycling facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how end-of-life vehicles are completely recycled, step by step.
Look at the aluminum percentage on this one.
Good yield. Slot it for immediate processing. Simultaneously, vacuum pumps extract the bright green antifreeze coolant, flowing through transparent tubing into collection. The process begins with electrical system verification.
All right, coming up slowly.
Watch the manifold on the left. Clear. Keep coming up.
Specialized glass cutting tools and wire saws cut through the adhesive. Suction cups lift the windshield while
Okay, lowering the jack now. Got it. Watch the fuel lines.
Using the magnetic wand, the inspector verifies no valuable components were missed. The chassis then receives a final weight measurement before densification.
We're clear on the west side. Drop it now.
Copy that. Load dropping.
Handheld XRF analyzers instantly identify metal composition without damaging materials. This precise sorting is crucial.
Motor oil is at 92%. We can accept the next shipment.
Acknowledged. Updating the manifest now. XRF analysis complete. Palladium levels are high. Okay, sign off on the manifest for shipment. The axial play is too high on this ball joint. It fails inspection.
And look at this rack. The pinion seal is leaking significantly.
Due to their critical role, fuel injectors undergo ultrasonic cleaning using high-frequency sound waves, followed by
We use the diatomaceous earth first, then hit it with the 300-degree steam right here.
Looks good. Let's check the internal passage. This one's lead, but that one over there is steel. Okay, I'll separate them now before they get mixed up.
Here it is, just above the rear wheel, well like the diagram shows.
Roger that. Switch is secure and logged.
The luxury sort is definitely paying off this quarter. Look at this concentration.
Yeah, the X-ray results match the high-grade manifest.
Batch 5 proceeding to the hopper. 10 tons of mixed chassis and engine blocks.
Roger that. Send it down. We've got contamination at Station 4, a lithium battery in the steel.
Acknowledged. Documenting the incident now.
All clear. Localized operator. Localized. Go ahead and cycle the machine. See that copper dropping early? We need more repulsion.
I'll increase the rotor speed slightly.
Make sure that's brass, not coated aluminum.
It's heavy, definitely brass. Hey, look! Another catalytic converter made it through. I see it. Get it out of there.
The 356 alloy is confirmed. Silicon and copper are right on target.
Excellent. Let's update the control chart and release the batch.
Bill, load of crushed autos for Sims Metal.
All right, gross weight is 82,540 pounds. Pull forward for your ticket. This data point shows the real-time VOC is concluded to process.
And if it exceeds the limit, the system
correct. Looks good. Sign here for the manifest. Verified. Everything is strapped down tight. We are good to go. We are definitely hitting the 2-inch mark now. Yes, much better consistency on this batch. The assay results for the platinum look good.
At the current market price, this shipment is highly valuable.
Yeah.
The heated sorting table operates at 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt the zinc while leaving contaminants solid.
At this experimental facility, automotive plastics underwent pyrolysis, converting the polymers back into valuable hydrocarbon feedstocks.
The purity is high, but the overall yield is still marginal at this scale.
Exactly. Scaling this up.
Voltage is dropping below the safe threshold.
Confirmed.
I'll start the disassembly process now.
Automated glass cullet quality enhancement. Location at a glass beneficiation facility.
I understand the spot price, but given the regional supply dynamics, we need closer to $400 a ton for the shredded steel.
The mills are operating at 85%. They'll pay it.
We use the tag to identify who applied the lock. Now, when lifting the tire, keep your back straight and utilize your leg strength.
The recovery rates declined here. We think the separation equipment needs adjustment.
The aluminum sorting accuracy dropped significantly. It looks like calibration drift.
Understood.
The model assumes shredder processes 50 vehicles per hour.
But we've never exceeded 40 in actual operations.
These new requirements will necessitate significant process modifications.
I've estimated the compliance costs. We need budget adjustments for Q3.
Mr. Davis, I apologize for the contamination.
Was the entire truckload affected or just specific portions? We need to determine the extent of the issue for the price adjustment.
As you can see, the dust suppression system keeps the air clean.
But what about the noise for the neighborhood?
The enclosed buildings significantly reduce sound impacts.
We struggled with copper contamination in aluminum until implementing this sorting approach.
By transforming yesterday's cars into tomorrow's vehicles, we complete the circle. This represents a sustainable future.
This one is cracked, send it to recycling. Okay, I'll take this good one to station 3.
See this tear here? We need to patch this area before it gets tagged.
Got it. I'll make sure the stitching matches the original pattern.
Oil pressure is holding steady at 55 psi. Coolant temperature is perfect.
Looks like a solid A. Let's tag it. The diagnostic code's cleared, but we still need to flash the latest update.
Right, make sure the immobilizer programming matches the VIN.
This one polished up nicely. And the beam pattern is well within specifications.
The 360 view on the engine is perfect. We captured all the angles and the fine details required for the customer.
These certifications are critical. Major manufacturers require ISO 14001 and R2 compliance before we even bid.
The main technical hurdle remains achieving consistent performance from mixed materials.
True, but the market pull for these high-value
The tensile strength is below the acceptable limit according to the SPC chart. We need to reject this batch.
Is the weight evenly distributed on this one? Yes, sir. Right at 45,000.
Yes, this one is ready for shipment. Make sure the labels are secure.
Make sure the Class 8 placard is clearly visible.
And the UN 2794 documentation is signed off for the lead acid.
We need a better rate for the Atlanta lane, including the fuel surcharge.
The software suggests Apex for the LTL consolidation.
The documentation looks complete. The close-ups on the labels are sharp. We are clear for shipment.
Yes, the weights are confirmed. We need that clean bill of lading before the driver leaves the yard. Send the EDI transmission now.
We need the updated certificate of origin for the Mexico shipment.
Is it covered under USMCA?
Yes, but Customs is questioning the HTS code.
The Dallas shipment is showing red.
We need a carrier now.
This strap needs another full turn. The tension is still too low.
Agreed. We need to document this non-compliance before release.
This confirms the delivery requirements and the scheduled appointment time.
Looks good. I've noted the seal number on the manifest.
The PET pellets match the sample perfectly.
And I've confirmed the specialized packaging requirements.
It looks like this one is stalled near the Statesville hub.
I see that. I'll contact the carrier now to get an updated ETA for the customer.
Thank you for confirming the smooth delivery.
The satisfaction rating for Q3 is up 15%.
Excellent. The process changes are working. Our current defect rate is unacceptable, especially the windshields.
The data suggests the new foam could cut claims by 20%.
We should pilot that immediately.
Manifest confirms 22 bales, bill of lading matches, securement check complete.
Verified blocking and bracing inside the trailer.
Roger that. Requesting gate authorization.
75,200 pounds, stamped and certified.
Looks good, thanks.
The seal is secured. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please confirm on the digital tracker and sign the bill of lading.
Confirmed.
Pallets for Zone C have been scanned and confirmed. Moving to staging area 4. Over.
This variance on the screen suggests misplacement.
I agree. Let me check the recent movements.
I'm updating the status flag to held for quality until we resolve this.
Verifying pickup authority for load 72B.
Yes, ma'am, that's me.
All right, take this map to the staging area. Follow the highlighted route.
The temperature is holding steady at 35.
Perfect. And the seals are all intact, correct?
Yes, ready for the road. We have a major incident on the I-5.
Rerouting the milk run now. I'll notify the driver about the adjusted ETA.
Driver 42, you are off route. Confirm status immediately.
We have a temperature alert on trailer 7. Reroute for cooling now.
All right, if you could just sign right here, confirming receipt of the 20 pallets.
Sure thing. Everything looks good and accounted for.
This box is clearly damaged during transit.
Yes, I've noted it as a freight claim and taken photos. It can't go back to stock.
If we look at the offtake rates here, grade 42 is spiking seasonally.
Right, we need to adjust the production schedule immediately to match that demand.
The carrier performance metrics are improving.
Yes, the optimization efforts are clearly working.
This data confirms our leadership in green distribution.
By consolidating these LTL shipments into full truckloads, we can dramatically reduce the per-unit freight cost and improve our margins.
Our on-time delivery is strong, but we acknowledge the issues in the Northeast region.
Yes, those specific late destinations are impacting our inventory.
We need to prioritize the high turnover items near the docks.
The system is flagging low space in aisle 4.
Adjust the seasonal reslotting strategy.
This variance here, the Dallas freight, was that a carrier no-show?
Yes, confirmed. I documented it here. Okay, I'll add it to the handover log. Looks reconciled otherwise.
This batch is past the target duration. We need to decide on disposition.
The data suggests holding it longer. The market shortage makes it appreciate.
Razor stirs. As you can see here, proper load securement is critical. Now looking at the dashboard, we've reduced our missed incidents by if we integrate the autonomous trucks by Q4, we save significantly on labor.
And the blockchain integration ensures immutable